Good evening. This is Jay Engel with the National Weather Service Forecast Office out of Upton, New York. And this is our first weather briefing on the coastal storm, which is likely to bring heavy snow to the tri-state region for late Wednesday night into Thursday. A winter storm watch is in effect from late Wednesday night through Thursday afternoon. Now, the Weather Prediction Center forecast map does show a developing storm off the mid-Atlantic coast by 8 a.m. on Thursday. Now, Wednesday night, this storm will start to develop over the Tennessee Valley, then move northeast and get off the mid-Atlantic coast by Thursday morning. And then by, let's say, late Thursday morning, early Thursday afternoon, it starts to get well east of the New Jersey coastline. So low pressure is going to push off the Delmarva Peninsula coast early Thursday morning, then rapidly intensify as it tracks south and east of Long Island later on Thursday. So we do think this is a high likelihood of bringing some heavy snow to the region late Wednesday night and into Thursday. So here are the main points. Hazard number one will be the heavy snow, which we do have a winter storm watch in effect for. Dangerous travel conditions are expected. Snowfall rates of up to 1 to 2 inches per hour are possible. Visibilities of a quarter mile or less at times. And the prime time for that will be early Thursday morning into Thursday afternoon. Hazard number two will be the winds. North winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts 25 to 35, and the highest gusts will be along the coast. That will likely result in some blowing and drifting of the snow, especially for some of the coastal counties like eastern Long Island, say Suffolk County, and southeastern Connecticut coastal counties, where near blizzard conditions are possible along the immediate coast, and that would be for late Thursday morning into Thursday evening. The temperatures will be dropping into the upper 20s and lower 30s during the day on Thursday. And by, let's say, later Thursday afternoon, widespread upper 20s. And there will also be gale watches in effect out on the maritime coastal waters here for north to northwesterly wind gusts of 35 to 45 knots on all nearshore waters. And that's for Thursday into Thursday night. The most likely snowfall scenario right now, we're thinking a general 6 to 8 inch snowfall across the area. There could be a few locally higher amounts ranging from 8 to maybe as much as 12 inches of snow. Now, what you're seeing here is the minimum and maximum snowfall potentials. Now, we're expecting at the very least, 2 to 3 inches across much of the area. The way we get less snow with this, maybe a flatter solution. The storm maybe isn't as strong as advertised, but right now we feel this scenario is not all that likely. And the worst case scenario would yield about 10 inches, maybe as high as 11, 12 inch amounts in some parts of the tri-state region. And it will all come to an end during Thursday, late Thursday afternoon, early Thursday evening. Now, the forecast uncertainties with this reside with the snowfall amounts, the location and duration of the heavy snowfall banding. We'll start to zero in a little bit more on that as we get into the day tomorrow, as we get closer to the event. Potential maximum hourly rates of 1 to 2 inches of snow per hour. Snow ratios, initially a heavier wet snow for Thursday morning, the Thursday morning commute, and then it transitions to more of a dry, powdery snow for later Thursday afternoon. So summarizing things, heavy snow likely late Wednesday night into Thursday. Confidence has grown quite a bit where we can now say confidence is high for a significant snowfall across the entire area. The period of greatest impact is for the Thursday morning commute, and also for the afternoon and early evening commute. May not be snowing, but the roads should be a mess, and there will be some blowing and drifting of that snow. And no significant coastal flood impacts are expected at this time. For further updates and forecast information, go to our home webpage and also check us out on Facebook and Twitter.